The F-22 Raptor is one of the most advanced and lethal fighter jets in the world, developed by Lockheed Martin for the United States Air Force. As a fifth-generation stealth air superiority fighter, the F-22 combines cutting-edge technology with unmatched performance to dominate the skies. Designed for both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, the Raptor excels with its Supercruise capability, allowing it to fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburners, making it incredibly fast and efficient compared to older jets. Its maximum speed exceeds Mach 2.25, while its stealth design makes it nearly invisible to enemy radar systems, giving it the first strike advantage in combat. What sets the F-22 apart is not only its speed and stealth but also its incredible agility. Thanks to thrust vectoring nozzles and a high-performance airframe, the Raptor can perform extreme maneuvers in air combat, such as tight turns and high angle of attack moves that give it an edge during dogfights. The internal weapons bay further enhances its stealth by concealing missiles and bombs, minimizing radar cross-section. It typically carries AIM-120 AMRAAM and AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles for air superiority missions, as well as JDAM precision-guided bombs for ground attack roles. Inside the cockpit, the F-22 is just as futuristic. It features a glass cockpit layout with large multifunction displays, a wide field of view HUD head-up display, and a sophisticated helmet-mounted system that allows the pilot to cue weapons by simply looking at the target. The cockpit is ergonomically designed to reduce pilot workload, and it's equipped with state-of-the-art avionics including radar, infrared tracking, and sensor fusion technology that presents the pilot with a complete, real-time picture of the battlespace. The radar system used in the F-22 is the AN/APG-77 AESA radar, capable of detecting and tracking enemy aircraft at extreme ranges while staying undetected itself. The F-22 is powered by two Pratt & Whitney F119P W100 turbofan engines that provide a combination of raw thrust and high fuel efficiency. These engines also enable the aircraft's signature Supercruise function, allowing it to maintain supersonic flight for extended durations without engaging fuel-intensive afterburners. This capability is vital for rapid deployment and evasive maneuvers, giving the Raptor a critical strategic edge in both offensive and defensive missions. Despite its incredible capabilities, the F-22 comes at a steep price. Each unit costs approximately $150 million, not including long-term maintenance and operational costs. Because of its high cost and the emergence of newer platforms, production was capped at 187 units. Still, the F-22 remains an irreplaceable asset in the U.S. military's air arsenal. Its combination of stealth, speed, agility, and advanced avionics ensures it continues to dominate any airspace it enters, standing as a symbol of technological superiority and unmatched combat power in modern aerial warfare.